Well, this last week, whether you know it or not, and some of you do, some of you don't, I was under the weather. In fact, I was in the hospital. I came down with a case of pancreatitis and cellulitis. I ignored a couple of things when it came to pain in my abdomen. And then when I finally went in, found out that's what that was. And then I found out also that I had this cellulitis in my left foot, which was a thing because of my surgeries I've had in the past. So I wanted to kind of let you all know what was going on and share with you some thoughts that I had yesterday while I was outside walking. I don't know many of you know this or not, but every single solitary day I walk, every single solitary day outside, rain or snow, health or fitness, I go out and I take a walk. And I've been doing it now for 1,726 days. It's on Facebook Live. Go to my Bill Hermann Facebook Live personal profile, and you'll see it. But in it, I kind of was, I started talking about gratitude. I talk about gratitude a lot. Gratitude is very important in our lives, in our business. But I kind of talked about how profoundly it affected me this week. Now, don't worry. I'm fine. Everything is good. I am healing, and I will heal just fine. But I wanted to share this with you. So here you go. Enjoy. Every day is the day, right? This is it. And if you can't be grateful for what you got at the moment you have it, then God help you, man. Because the idea of being regretful or ungrateful for the life that I have, the moment before I go, I just can't imagine it. I mean, that's not true. I can't imagine it. That's why I'm getting choked up. Because it's true. I am grateful for everything in my life. I'm grateful for my beautiful children, my fabulous wife, my wonderful family back in Michigan, my wonderful family here. The family that I've chosen, you know. All of my close friends who went out of their way to show me how much they care. I mean, come on. That's there's some next level stuff there, right? So if you go through that and you don't feel grateful for every second you have, I feel bad for you. And I think I do a pretty good job of living in gratitude. I really do. I really do. So much so that I tell you guys about it every Sunday. But what I found out is you can live with more of it. Because there's things you're not even thinking about. The things you can't even express that lie in wait to remind you that you got it pretty damn good. That you are fortunate to be living in a world where many people are not. To have love in your life, to have work in your life, to have purpose in your life, to have people, power, air, water. A bed to sleep in. A hospital to take care of you. I'm not completely well yet. I still have this cellulitis I'm dealing with, but a round of antibiotics and another visit to my doctor on Monday, and I'm well on my way. The swelling has not gone down yet. Cellulitis, if you don't know, is an infection of your skin that swells your skin. It can happen from athlete's foot, right? Take care of your athlete's foot. This isn't what happened to me. This was because of another infection. But there's another thing. It's like cellulitis. Oh my God, my foot's swollen. I won't think about it at all. Oh, and then you hear from a doctor that, oh, well, that could kill you because that can turn into a staph infection. And then staph infection, then, you know something, don't go on WebMD. It's a bad thing. It'll scare the ever-living crap out of you. The truth is that I'm doing okay. And I'm going to be okay. And at first I was feeling like responsible for having to tell you all that. But really, today especially, I feel grateful that I'm able to tell you that. That I'm doing all right. And I really appreciate the time that you've taken to make me feel better while I was feeling physically torn down and emotionally down, as you do when you get sick. And I'm not usually a sick person. I don't get sick. So now I'm also grateful for the fact that I don't get sick. And I'm I'm grateful for the bit of empathy I know now and have now for those people that have to sit in a hospital and be cared for because it's that bad. I'm grateful for that knowledge. I'm happy, I know. I wish I wouldn't have had to go through it, but I'm grateful that I did. So, anyhow. I think I'm tired. That's why I'm getting all verklempt.